Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT53 base 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale has a black exterior with a black interior. Silver accents as well as a dark wood grain trim. The AMG badging and branding throughout the vehicle. Sunroof. There's that wood grain here. Blind spot assist. So the turbo 4MATIC badging. Come around to the back here and we'll see our GT53 Mercedes-Benz and AMG badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space back here. And this vehicle does have the premium Burmester sound system, so you can see the subwoofer back here. Take a look at our rear seats. Wood grain trim again. Now we do have heated seats throughout the vehicle. And again, the Burmester sound system. Rear seats. Leather throughout the vehicle. And a quick look up at the front of the vehicle. So both driver and passenger side have heated and ventilated seats, as well as memory seats. You can see the seat controls here. More Burmester sound system speakers here. Driver door controls. Driver seat. The AMG styled steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. And mileage currently at 24,156. And we have a push button ignition. So throughout the vehicle we'll have the customizable LED lights in the door handles, across the dash, the footwells, all throughout. Fully customizable with lots and lots of colors to choose from. Here is our backup camera. And navigation. And radio. Climate control. Center console. And the AMG styling shifter. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.